Hello everyone, myself Abhay Kumar. Today I am here to represent my PPT and my topic is array in programming C. First of all, now we see that in this slide, introduction array in C programming, understanding array in fundamental to measuring C programming. Array allowed to store multiple value of the same type of single constitution, memory block simplification, data management and the manipulation. Let's move on next slide, and now we see that what is an array definition and key concept. Definition: an array is a collection of element of the same data type stored in contiguous memory location identified at an index or subscript. Key concepts: elements are the indexing starting from a zero, allowing direct access to any item efficiently using its position. Memory layout: array are the stored sequentially in a memory which promoted fast travels but required a fixed size definition at a compiling time in C. Let's move to next slide. Now we discuss in this slide declaring and initializing array in C. Declaring array. Array are declared by specifying the types of name and size. Example: int number 10 create space for 10 integers. Initializing array. Array can be initialized at declaring using branches. Example: int score 5 equal to 90, 85, 78, 88, 92. Assigning value to each index. Particle initializing. When particles initialized, remaining elements default to 0 if the array has a static or global scope. Otherwise, uninitialized local array contain garbage value. Now we move to next slide. Accessing array element indexing explained. Zero base indexing. First elements is at index 0 not 1. Accessing syntax. Use a bracket array 0, array 1, etc. Out of bounds risk. Accessing outside valid inside causes undefined behavior. Let's move to next slide. Now we discuss in this slide types of array. There are three types of array: one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and multi-dimensional. One-dimensional array: simple linear list of elements accessed by single index. Two-dimensional array: array of arrays obtain view as matrix accessed by two indexed for row and column. Multi-dimensional array: higher dimensional array used for complex data structured like 3D models accessed with multiple indices. Let's move to next slide. Common arrays operation: traversal, insertion and deletion. Traversal: visiting each element sequentially to process our display data, usually with loops. Insertion: place new values at specific indices. Deletion: remove or overwrite elements shifting if needed. Let's move to next slide. Now we discuss about advantage and disadvantage of using array. First of all, advantage: fast access with constant time indexing, memory efficiently storage of homogeneous data, simple syntax and Wildex supported. Disadvantage: fixed size limit, flexibility, insertion and declaration can be costly, no built-in bound and checking. Now we move to last slide. Best practice and application array in C. Best practice application. Always defines array size carefully to avoid overflow. Using loop to handle array operations safely. Consider bounds checking manually to prevent errors. Applications. Storing data sets. Example: sensor reading or user inputs. Implementing other data structures like stacks and queues. Used extensively in algorithm for sorting and searching.